Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is linear differential equation and its solution process. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write linear differential equation and its solution. Linear differential equation and its solution. So I will discuss what is the standard form of linear differential equation and how to find the solution. So what is the standard form? The standard form of linear differential equation. The standard form of linear differential equation of first order is dy by dx plus of p of x, p is a function of x, q into y equals to q of x, where p and q are functions of x, or constants. Where p and q are functions of x or constants. So here I you can say this equation is linear differential equation. इसको linear differential equation क्यों कहेंगे? यहाँ पे first of all you have to check it. What is the degree of this differential equation? What do you mean by degree? The degree of the differential equation is the highest exponent of the highest order derivative. Here highest order derivative it becomes first order. Here I have written dy by dx. What is the exponent? So it becomes 1. So degree of this differential equation it becomes 1. Then check it. Then can you say the degree of the dependent variable? So here dependent variable it becomes y. So degree of the dependent variable it becomes 1. Again we can check it. So we can say this is linear differential equation. Again we can check it. Can you get any product of dependent variable and its derivative? No. So that's why this equation is known as linear differential equation of first order. Here I have written dy by dx plus p into y equals to q, where p and q are functions of x or constants. So how to find the solution? So first of all you have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor all of you know. A factor by multiplying which a non-exact equation reduces to the exact form is known as integrating factor. So here in this case, how to find the integrating factor? E to the power the integration of p dx. E to the power the integration of p dx. So whatever the equation is given, first of all you have to express in this form. Then compare it. You must get the value of p. After getting the value of p, then you have to write the integrating factor. It becomes e to the power the integration of p dx. What is the solution? General solution. Therefore, the general solution is dependent variable. Who is the dependent variable? Y is the dependent variable. X is the independent variable. So, dependent variable into integrating factor. Dependent variable into integrating factor equals to integration of q. So, here I have written the q, the right hand side. Q into integrating factor whole into dx plus of c, where c is the arbitrary constant or integrating constant, where c is the arbitrary constant or integrating constant, or you can say integrating constant. So here, so first of all, whatever the problem is given, so you have to check it whether this is linear or non-linear. If it is linear differential equation, so how to find the solution? Integrating factor it becomes e to the power the integration of p dx. Then what is the required general solution? General solution becomes, so dependent variable into integrating factor Dependent, who is the dependent variable in this equation? Y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So y into integrating factor equals to integration of q, that means right hand side. Whatever the linear differential equation is given, the right hand side it becomes q. So q into integrating factor into dx plus some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. So let us consider one example, then it is clear. So write down the problem. Find the general solution. Find the general solution. Find the general solution. Find the general solution of differential equation. Of differential equation. So it becomes, can I write y dash plus of y equals to e to the power the minus x, e to the power the minus x into 10x. So here, whatever the problem it is given, so here can I write in this manner? So write down the solution. Write down the solution. The given differential equation is, so can I write y dash plus of y equals to e to the power the minus x all into, can I write 10x into 10x. So can I write this part becomes dy by dx plus of y equals to e to the power the minus x all into 10x. So can I write which is of the form, dy by dx plus of py equals to q, where p and q both are functions of x or constants. If you compare this part and this part, then you must understand. So p becomes coefficient of y, here coefficient of y it becomes p, so p becomes 1. P becomes coefficient of y, it becomes 1, and q it becomes, what is q? The right hand side it becomes q. Here I have written this part becomes q, this part becomes q. So can I write e to the power the minus x all into 10x. So what is integrating factor in this case? Therefore integrating factor equals to e to the power the integration of p dx. So can I write this part becomes e to the power the integration of p dx. What is p? P becomes 1. So can I write 1 into dx, so finally you can write dx. So integration of e to the power the integration of dx, so it becomes x. Finally you can write this part, e to the power the x. Therefore required general solution is, so can I write dependent variable? Who is the dependent variable in this case? Y is the dependent variable. Y into integrating factor. So first of all write down the formula. Y into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor whole into dx plus some arbitrary constant, where c is the arbitrary constant or integrating constant, where c equals to arbitrary constant. So here replace the value. So can I write y into, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor it becomes e to the power the x. So can I write y into e to the power the x equals to, can I write q into integrating factor? What is q? Q becomes this part, e to the power the minus x into 10x, whole into, what is the integrating factor? E to the power the x whole into dx plus of some arbitrary constant. So can I write this part becomes e to the power the minus x into e to the power the x. So finally we will get, since e to the power the minus x into e to the power the x, so finally you can write e to the power the minus x plus x, so it becomes 0, so there it becomes 1. So finally integration of 10x dx plus of c. So what is integration of 10x? So can I write? So if I simplify here, integration of 10x, that means, so can I write sin x by cos x dx. So can I write, let cos x equals to t. So can I write minus of sin x dx equals to dt. So finally you can write integration of, can I write minus of integration dt by t. So we can write minus of log of t, that means log of mod of t. So finally you can write minus of log of cos of x. So t becomes, here I have written cos x equals to t. So finally you can write minus of log of cos of x, log of mod of cos of x plus of c. So here, so the required general solution, it becomes y into e to the power x equals to this much. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation, where c is the arbitrary constant or integrating constant. If I take another example, solve the initial value problem. 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 So y dash dy by dx plus of 6x square y equals to e to the power minus 2x cube all divided by x square. The initial condition is given y of 1 equals to 0. But the solution in this case, so here first of all I will discuss what is the general solution of this given differential equation. Then using initial condition you must get the particular solution. So here dy by dx plus 6x square y equals to e to the power minus 2x cube by divided by x square. Y of 1 equals to 0. So can I write which is of the form? dy by dx plus of dy equals to q, where p and q are functions of x or constant. So you have to compare this equation and this equation. You must get what is p. P becomes the coefficient of y, it becomes p. Here coefficient of y, it becomes 6x square. What is q? The right hand side, it becomes q. Here it is q, here it is q. So can I write e to the power minus 2x cube whole divided by x square. So what is integrating factor in this case? Integrating factor equals to, so can I write e to the power integration of p dx. So can I write this part e to the power, what is p? P becomes 6x square all into dx. Can I write this part? It becomes e to the power 6 is the common, what is the integration of x square dx? So it becomes x cube by 3. So finally we will write e to the power 2x cube. So the required general solution is, so dependent variable y into integrating factor. So it becomes e to the power 2x cube. Y into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor. What is q? Q becomes this part. So can I write e to the power minus 2x cube whole divided by x square. Q into integrating factor, it becomes this part, e to the power 2x cube whole into dx plus some arbitrary constant or integrating constant c. So here e to the power x 2x cube and e to the power minus 2x cube. So finally we will get e to the power 0. E to the power 0, that means 1. So finally we will write. So this part becomes, so 1 by x square whole into dx plus of c. So can I write this part finally x to the power minus 2 whole into dx. So can I integration of this part plus of c. So what is the integration? X to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus of 1 plus of c. So finally we can write what is the required general solution? Y into e to the power 2x cube equals to, so here this is minus 1, here this is x to the power minus 1. So finally we will write 1 minus 1 by x. This is minus 1, here it is x to the power minus 1 plus of c. So this is the required general solution. This is the required general solution of the given differential equation. So here using initial condition, whatever the initial condition is given. So can I use? So can I write? Suppose do the numbering. Suppose this part becomes 1. Suppose this part becomes 1. So using initial condition in 1, using initial condition in 1, using initial condition in 1. So here, so first of all we have to write down y into e to the power 2x cube equals to minus 1 by x plus of c. What is the initial condition? What the condition is given? Y of 0, y of 1. What is the initial? Y of 1 equals to 0, which implies when x equals to 1, when x equals to 1, y equals to 0. So here using these values, x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. So finally can I write? So 0 into something, 0 into this term, so it becomes 0. So 0 into this part, so it becomes 0, equals to x becomes 1. X becomes 1. So can I minus 1 by 1 plus of c. So what is the value of c? C becomes plus 1. Therefore, required particular solution is so replacing the values in 1. What is the value of c? C becomes 1. So replacing the value. So can I write y into e to the power 2x cube equals to minus of 1 by x plus of 1. So this is the required particular solution of the given differential equation. I hope you enjoyed the session and liked the tricks that I have shared in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.